Alright, hey guys, this is Jesse. I'm up here outside of Nederland. We're doing a pretty cool, sweet little assignment up here. We're going to take this old abandoned mining ruins here, wood and tin, and we're going to cap this, what's been a state certified reclamation safety protocol of this old mine shaft here. So I'm going to take all this stuff behind me and wrestle it into this hole, and then I'm going to cap the hole with these tailings here. I'm going to screen them and get some good rock down first, and then I'll cover it with dirt after that. It's going to be cool. So I got this old mining shack all smashed into the hole now, and then all right, David, this is coming up the hill here. This is your little entry access point. Kind of got it smoothed out there. It's hard to see with the light, but you'll see it when you get here too. And then this is where the mine was. Got this all graded out nice. Awesome piece of trash here. Grab, oh, maybe that's staying right there. Go and put some material on that. But yeah, you got a little flat spot, all graded out. I think you can get your little camper RV up here just fine. You can have a nice little spot here. So then I did the neighbor's little driveway here too. It's really sandy valley floor there, and basically just did an hour and a half. In other news, check it out, read the code. And then we also passed inspection today, so good job, Ryan and team.